Hi everyone, welcome to my 20-minute yoga for balance video. My name is Joy and we're going to begin off with a sun salutation. We're going to go ahead and come to our mats. Make sure we inhale with our arms in prayer position overhead. Exhale down into a forward fold. And then come into a low lunge. We're going to start this off creating a flow, coming into high plank and moving down into chaturanga. As we exhale, bring our bodies into upward facing dog as we inhale, into downward dog. If this is your first time here, I invite you to join me on this journey to gain more balance in your day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the session. Going to come back into a low lunge, breathing in and then breathing out as we bring ourselves into forward fold. Bring our arms overhead and rain our arms down in Namaste, palms touching heart center. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, arch back. Come down into forward fold. Step that right foot back into a low lunge. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, coming into high plank. Inhale here at high plank. And exhale, coming into chaturanga. Inhale. Transitioning to upward facing dog, really get the stretch, take in that nice breath, and then exhale, coming into downward dog. Here we're going to rest, pedal our feet, getting the energy flowing through our legs, doing our best to make sure each heel, our left and right feet are touching the mat. And then bring our right foot up in between our palms, coming into the low lunge and extending our left foot behind us. Inhale here, look up, then bring that left leg to meet the right leg in a forward fold. We're going to tuck our head into our knees, doing our best to get our head as close to our knees as possible. With every inhale and exhale, we're going to slowly rise up, bringing the palm of our hands over our head as we arch our back and raining our palms down to heart center. We're going to go ahead and do our first balance pose, which is tree pose. We're going to bend our left knee. We're going to fold in that foot and place it on the inner thigh of our opposite leg. We're going to bring Namaste, palms to heart, and inhale from our center, from our core, and exhale from our core. This breath, this focus creates the balance that you are needing in daily life. Smile. Even though tree pose is more of a simple and beginner balance yoga pose, it is effective. Go ahead and bring your arms overhead, extending them above you, and then raining your arms down towards your heart with your palms in prayer position. You're gonna go ahead and do the other leg. Stabilize and balance now on your left leg and bring that right foot, bend that knee and rest that right foot on the inner thigh of your left leg. Bring your arms into Namaste, palms at heart. Inhale through your core, through your center, and exhale. I like to imagine grounding my energies through the leg that I am balancing on, imagining connecting to the energy of the core of the earth, which helps me stabilize and breathe. And raise my palms and my arms above head, and then rain them down and bring my palms at heart into prayer position. We're going to do another simple variation, very similar to tree pose. We're going to bend that right knee, and this time we're going to take our foot and we're going to rest it on the top of our thigh. So of that outer thigh, we're going to bring our palms above head, bring it into prayer position, and rain our palms down in prayer position from our crown to our heart. And then relax. And we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. And to hold this position as much as you can, balancing, breathing, focusing on your center. Rain your arms up in prayer position and then bring them back down. We're going to do a yoga pose called the dancer's pose. We're just going to bend one of our legs. We're going to bend one of our knees. And then we're going to grab a hold of our foot or our ankle and extend our opposite arm in front of us and reach forward. Do this slow and controlled. Focus on balance and focus on breath. You don't have to extend your knee high in the air. Just focus on stabilization. If you have to gain balance, I want you to really center your vision on one area in the room and focus your breath. We're going to continue this with the opposite leg. Go ahead and grab that ankle. Inhale from the core. Going to extend the rest of our bodies forward, reaching forward and balancing, creating stabilization. Rain our palm in the air above head and bring our palms down at heart to namaste. I'm going to squat all the way down. If you cannot squat with your legs closed, then have a wide open squat. I will turn facing the camera so you can see the squat that I'm doing. I'm just going to bring my legs together and squat as low as I can, rocking myself forward and back, bringing in that strength in our ankles and creating some stabilization here. We want to breathe, come up, and then squat down into a seated position. From the seated position, we're going to come into a boat pose. We will hold here for just a few seconds. Remember, do not hold breath. Allow the breath to flow as we are holding boat pose. Come back into seated position to rest and to breathe. Here we will transfer into boat pose, but we will do some flutter kicks to create that motivation that we need and come into seated position. Inhale and exhale here in seated position. Come forward into downward facing dog, pedaling those feet. We will now come into the flow sequence, which is high plank. This time we'll bring our knees to the mat, our chest to the mat, and our chin to the mat. And we will inhale into Cobra pose and exhale back into Downward Dog. Hold a strong Downward Dog. We're going to come into High Plank. This time come down into Chaturanga. Exhale in Chaturanga. And then inhale in Upward Facing Dog. Really breathing in that sunlight. Come into Downward Dog, pedaling the feet. Inhale and exhale here. We're going to extend our left leg in the air, high in the air. Hold it for a few seconds. Bring it back in. And then we're going to extend our right leg in the air. Hold it for a few seconds. And then bring it back in. Going to come down, High Plank. Bring our knees to the mat. Go into Child's Pose. And prepare to be in a side plank position. Go ahead and stabilize on that forearm and the outward edge of your bottom foot. Bring that leg on the top, bend that knee, and bring that foot to rest on the inner thigh. And hold this side plank position. Now we'll rotate to the opposite side. Stabilize on your forearm. Bring your opposite arm in the air and then bend that knee of that top leg and rest that foot of the top leg on your inner thigh. Inhaling from your core, finding balance. Hold and come back down. Now you guys, we will go ahead and enter the time for some breath work. On our mats, we're going to place one palm over our energy center, our core, and then one palm over our heart center. I want you to inhale white rushing light like a waterfall or a rush of cool cleansing water through your body. As we inhale and then we exhale all that we do not need, all that does not serve us. We will bring our palms resting on our knees, making sure our palms are open, and repeat this exercise. Once again, we will inhale, receiving that light, washing out our system, cleansing out what we no longer need. When we exhale, we want it to rinse out of our root chakra. Inhale that cleansing, healing light. Whatever area of your life that you are needing balance, whether it be in your finances, you can go. I like to bring my palms over my root chakra, which governs the area of stability in finance or stability in life, and begin to imagine any situation you would like to bring light to or balance to. Begin to visualize ease, visualize calmness and balance, taking pressure off your shoulders and allowing divine energies to clear the way for you, to feel supported, to feel at peace, and to feel stable. Like so, you can take your palms and also cover your solar plexus, which is your energy center. If you lack motivation and you require more balance in taking action and moving, imagine you taking action on that goal or running through the finish line of your project. Or maybe it's something you've been putting off for a long time that you need to do. Imagine it being completed. Imagine you taking back your power and being at peace. See yourself accomplishing those goals and having an easy work-life balance. And bring your palms to your heart center. If you would like balance in your love life, your relationship life, imagine peace, imagine love, being open to love, loving yourself more. Thank you so much for taking this time out with me. Peace be and blessings unto you. Have a beautiful day. Until next time. Blessings.